Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at Achr Aviation. This is ACHR stock. And you can see today this one is down by 8.5%. However, over the course of the last few days, things really are up quite a bit. We've come up from levels at lows around the 4th of September, from 8.20 all the way to this $12 plus mark that we are at now. And realistically, even zooming in since about the 30th, you can see a run from 9.30 all the way up to these ranges again, $12, $13. So things, of course, moving up substantially. The question now is, though, where do we go from here? And again, over the course of this video, I'll be sharing with you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. So do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but do make sure you do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Now, a few key levels stand out to me here, right? The most important and the most significant one is going to be looking at what happens around 12.35, and this is a level that we're seeing support at arguably 3 times. The reason why I say arguably is because you've seen a definite support here, you've definitely seen the stock bounce off of this range over here, and now you're asking the question as to what happens going forwards, because we're coming down to this level again. We're asking whether we actually touch it and bounce potentially off, or whether we begin to move to the downside. If we do begin to drop slightly, you're looking at levels then such as 12.10, you're looking at levels below that such as 11.80, and potentially levels below that such as 11.30, 11.40, and a potential push down to 10.87, which would be less than ideal. Now, of course, realistically, I want to see this one find a support as soon as possible. At the same time, I am very aware that the RSI has been in the overbought range in the early part of this week. Of course, coming into today, we are cooling off a little bit, down into neutral now, but still relatively high. What I'd be looking for is some consolidation. Again, this may be another small decrease in share price. It may be a little bit of an increase, but I want to see it begin to stabilize, as we are seeing relatively wild swings on a percentage point basis, at least over the last couple of days. So the sooner we can find that support, the absolute better. Now from here, again, I'm looking to just simply consolidate, simply give us time for the RSI to cool off. And I think the pattern here, we're going to need to see the downtrend somewhat slow. This could be a very interesting level to look for that potential bounce, but again, it is very soon to say. So it very much depends on your risk tolerance, very much depends on which way you wish to play this one. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions in the comment section as to what you're looking for. Of course, leave me your feedback on the video as well. Thank you so much for your time, and goodbye for now.